Hey guys, happy Saturday. Hear the thunder? More big storms coming. It's really dark. This summer we've had a lot of bad storms. Like I thought I left this behind when I left Indiana. Indiana, we had a basement. Very dark. This kind of just popped up too. I'm glad I got some deliveries done and came home, because I don't want to be out. It's really dark. Hope we don't get all this huge rain again and get the flash flooding. And last time they had said there was an EF2 tornado, I guess in around Knoxville. So obviously whoever said you can't get tornadoes here is lying. I don't like all the wind. This is the one time I don't really care for living in all these trees. Hi Cody, how you doing? Just got done eating. We're cozy at home together during the storms. Look how dark it is in here. How's the weather where you guys are? Do you had a lot of bad storms this summer? Oh my goodness, see, I don't like all this wind. Oh my. I think we have a severe thunderstorm warning. Got my cute little new candle lit. Oh my goodness, can you hear the rain? Okay, it can get done any minute now. You can see how fast it would flood here. Flash flooding, this rain. Look at it out there. You see? Yeah. This video will be called A Severe Storm in a Tiny House. I'm so glad you're not scared, babies. Whoa, okay, let's get away from the window. More mud for Cody, yay! Oh no, not more wind. I think it's calming down a little. We have a flash flood warning. I would have guessed that because of the torrential downpour. It has let up. There are more storms coming. I'm glad I got a few deliveries done before this, because I will not be out in this. And it's also dangerous because I don't know, some of the roads that I go on are muddy, so you can see what would happen. Like I would get stuck in a driveway, and it's not safe. A lot of places up by Bybee, where my mom lives, it was flooding really bad up there. So I don't want to get caught in that situation. I don't care. Making $20 is not worth dying or anything. So at least I got a few done. I don't know. All right, so up in my loft here, oh, let's see how it looks up here. Better view. Oh my goodness. You can't see, but I live next to a little, I don't think it's a creek, but there is never water in this, and it's about halfway already. Just like that, from empty to halfway up here. You can hear the rain. Can you hear it on the roof here? At least my TV's working. All right, back downstairs we go. All right, it's calmed down now. The calm before more storms. All right, I am going to finish my coffee and just kind of chill out, wait for more storms to come. I guess I'm hanging out at home for a while now. All right, guys, I will see you later. Have a good Saturday.